Hello everyone, welcome to VJ Chemistry channel. Today we are going to discuss mole concept continuation, percentage of composition. Percentage calculation simply want to say means percentage calculation. How to calculate the percentage? Everyone knows. Okay. For example, 10th class result recently they got a student scored out of 600 total all subjects English 100 out of 100, Sanskrit 100 out of 100, mathematics 98 marks, science 100 out of 100, social studies 99 marks. Okay, like this, they score out of 500. Okay, these are the marks. How much? 1, 2, 3, 300. Here 400, 500 if we take total overall. Here 2 marks less, here 1 mark less. 3 marks they lost. Means 497 they scored out of 500. Out of 500. Now they want the particular subject percentage. Now overall percentage means just total all marks, all subjects marks divided by 500 into 100 percentage. At the time zeros cancel. Now 5 nines, 5 8 are 40. Sorry, here 4 is there no. Again 47 means 9 times. So 99.4 percentage. As per this result, the person scored. But a student here he is going to calculate the particular subject. Particular subject. Every subject here they going for out of 100 marks. So the particular subject percentage how much? Overall, all subjects together he scored 497 out of 500. So his percentage how much means 99.4 percentage. Student is going to select, okay, the particular, for example, mathematics, how much percentage I scored. At the time, the particular mathematics marks 98 divided by out of that subject 100 marks into 100. 100 cancel. The particular subject he scored 98 percentage out of 100. Yes, same way. Same way here, percentage of composition in chemistry. For example, if you take a formula, calcium carbonate, previously we discussed. Okay, calcium carbonate, if you take, in this, three different elements are there: calcium, carbon, and oxygen. So, this calcium carbonate, this overall composition is 100. If you consider in that 100, calcium is how much? Calcium is how much percentage contribution? Carbon how much percentage contribution? Oxygen how much percentage contribution? That we need to calculate individually. That is the percentage of composition. Okay. So formula to calculate the percentage of composition. percentage of composition is equals to mass of an atom of an element in a in a molecule divided by total molecular mass. Total molecular mass. Total molecular mass. This is the formula. Now, already calcium carbonate, everyone knows. Okay, it's total easy to calculate. I'm using that, but they won't questions. They will not ask this much simply. They will give different formulas. Okay, so you have to practice. So calcium carbonate. Now I want first we need to calculate the molecular mass of calcium carbonate. Already we calculated it is 100. Okay. Now I want to particularly calcium percentage how much, carbon percentage how much, oxygen percentage how much in this molecule. Percentage of calcium from calcium carbonate. Percentage of calcium. Immediately formula mass of an atom of an element in a molecule. In a molecule calcium mass 40 by total molecular mass. Molecular mass means calcium carbonate molecular mass how much we got 100 into percentage no 100 we should take. Sorry, here I didn't mention. So percentage means into 100. Percentage means compulsory we need to multiply with 100. Now here what happening? 100 get cancelled. The percentage of calcium. How much in the calcium carbonate means 40 percentage. Same way, percentage of carbon. How much means mass of carbon is 12 by 100 total molecular mass into 100 percentage. So how much percentage? 12 percentage carbon. Next, percentage of oxygen. CaCO3. In that oxygens are 3. So 3 into oxygen atomic mass is 16 by total molecular mass 100 into 100 cancel 48 percentage. 48 percentage. Okay, like this. If you calculate 40 plus 12, 52, 52, 60, 100 becomes equal. Okay, so calcium percentage in calcium carbonate how much means 40 percentage. Carbon percentage how much means 12 percentage. Oxygen percentage how much means 48 percentage. Like this we are going to calculate. Yes, take one more example. Calculate the mass percentage of composition in acetic acid. Acetic acid. What is the formula for acetic acid? CH3COOH. Acetic acid. CH3COOH. Now, in this two carbons, total 4 hydrogens, and two oxygens are there. First calculate its total molecular mass. 2 into 12 carbon mass number. 4 into hydrogen mass number is 1 plus 2 into 16 oxygen mass number. Is together 24 plus 4 plus 32. You will get 60. This is the molecular mass of acetic acid. Now, I want percentage of carbon. Percentage of carbon. Immediately, total how many carbons are there in this? Two carbons are there. So, 2 into carbon mass of an atom of an element 12. Which we are going to calculate that element mass number we should take in the numerator. That element how many times are there? Two times are there in the CH3 COH. Now, total molecular mass is 60 into 100. Next, percentage of hydrogen I want. So, hydrogen total how many times are there? 4 times. So, 4 into hydrogen mass number is 1 by 60 into 100. Next, percentage of oxygen. Percentage of oxygen. Oxygen how many times are there? 2 times. So, 2 into oxygen mass number is 16 by 60 total molecular mass into 100. Yes. Simplify it, Mark. See here, 0, 0 cancel, 6 ones, 6 twos. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 10, 40. 40 percentage carbon present. Next, 0, 0 cancel. Still, we can simplify. 2 5s, 2 3. So, 20 by 3. 20 by 3. 20 by 3 means, still simplify, 6.66. Okay. So, hydrogen percentage how much? 6.66. Next, same way. 2 ones, 2 threes. Uh, sorry. 3 ones, 3 fives there. Next, 1 is there. 3 threes there. Like that only recurring it will come. So, 5.3 into 10. 50.30 percentage. Yes, this is the way of calculation, finding percentage of composition, the particular element, percentage, how much in a complete formula. Okay, 40, 46, round of 4. Sorry, here 53 now. 53. So 40, here round of 4. If you take, if you consider 7, 47, 47, 50 plus 50, 100 total. Okay, this is the total overall percentage. Yes, I hope you understood. This already mass background you all having means this all very easy. Percentage of composition. Then we will calculate very fast. Yes. Go for one more example. Crystals. Crystals if you take, for example, copper sulfate 5H2O. Copper sulfate 5H2O. Crystal form, it is in blue color. So copper sulfate dot 5H2O. Now one question they are asking, what is the percentage of water in blue vitriol? Copper sulfate is in blue color when presence of water. So what is the percentage of water in blue vitriol or in crystal of copper sulfate? At the time, first we have to calculate the molecular mass. Copper, how much more? Yes, 63.5 copper plus sulfur 32 plus here oxygen, 4 oxygen 64 plus I am taking this water. They are asking water no. So water H2O means 18 into 5. 18 into 5 how much? 90. This is water. Now overall molecular mass how much here? 90 plus 64, 154, 154 plus 2, 156, 186, 186 plus 60, 186 plus 60, 246, 246 plus 3.5, 249.5. Yes, 249.5. Yes or no? 90, 154, 154, 186, 186, 189, 189, 249.5. Correct only. Yes. Now they want only water percentage. How much? Immediately. Same formula. Percentage of water is equals to water. How many times are there? 5 moles. So 5 into water molecular mass is 18 by total molecular mass is 249.5 into 100. At the time 90, 18 5 there. 249.5 into 100. Yes, simplify it. If I consider this is like around of 250 for our convenience, 0 0 will get cancelled. Now 90 into 10, 900 by 25. Go through it calculation. Yes, that is the water percentage. Thank you, children.